Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial because it ensures that the fries cook evenly and get that perfect crispy texture. Think of it like warming up before a workout. It gets everything ready for the main event. You'll know the air fryer is ready when it beeps or the indicator light turns off, depending on your model. If you're new to using an air fryer, don't worry. It's as simple as setting the temperature and waiting a few minutes. By the way, since many of you ask about this air fryer that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Now, let's move on to the fun part. Cooking the fries. Take one bag of French fries and place them in the air fryer basket. Make sure to spread them out evenly so they cook properly. A common mistake is overcrowding the basket, which can lead to uneven cooking. If your air fryer is on the smaller side, you might need to cook the fries in batches. You'll know they're cooking well when you start to hear a gentle sizzling sound, which means the fries are crisping up nicely. Finally, let the fries cook for about 15-20 minutes. The trick is to check them halfway through and give the basket a good shake. This helps ensure that all the fries get crispy on all sides. You'll know they're done when they turn a beautiful golden color, like the perfect sunset. If they look a bit pale, give them a few more minutes. Remember, every air fryer is a bit different, so keep an eye on them to avoid any surprises. Enjoy your perfectly crispy, golden fries. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye!